Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain the Chase Freedom Unlimited Credit Score Review. This card offers a fantastic way to earn cash back on everyday spending. We'll cover what credit score you generally need to qualify, the impressive reward rates you can expect, and how to make the most of its features. Get ready to understand if this card is the right fit for your financial goals and spending habits. To be approved for the Chase Freedom Unlimited card, a strong credit profile is key. Most successful applicants have a FICO score of at least 670, often ranging into the excellent category. Lenders also consider your credit history, including the length of your accounts and payment consistency, alongside your income. A solid financial standing significantly boosts your chances of approval. The Chase Freedom Unlimited truly shines with its generous reward structure. You'll earn an impressive 5% cash back on travel booked through Chase Ultimate Rewards. Plus, enjoy 3% cash back on all dining and drugstore purchases. For everything else, you'll receive an unlimited 1.5% cash back, making it a strong contender for everyday spending. To truly maximize your Chase Freedom Unlimited, consider pairing it with other Chase Ultimate Rewards cards. This strategy can unlock even greater value for your points. Don't forget to take advantage of any introductory offers, which often provide a substantial cash back bonus after meeting a spending threshold. Remember to pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest and keep your credit healthy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.